Tatanggapin nyo pa lang eh. Magsasubmit pa lang eh. If we will be questioning it already from our end, we're like more poppies than the Pope, Madam Chair. Am I correct?
I cannot.
O ikaw naman, ba't naman hindi mo masasagot naman yan, napakasimple. Kung ikaw nga, hinihintay mo pa eh. Dapat naman nating hintayin, that is the part of due process.
Yes.
Kami naman, naglulundag na kami na nagtatanong. Kaya nga ang sabi ng Vice President, narinig ko, I am already communicating. I am about to communicate with the COA. I think she will do that because that is the process. Hindi naman pwedeng hindi niya sagutin. Kaya nga po ang sinasabi ko, kasi ang dami na pong nagsipagtanong. Lalo na po nung unang hearing, naglulundag po lahat eh. So the nature of a notice of disallowance, Madam Chair, it is yet to be explained. Sa ngayon, hindi pa eh. Kung sakaling ma-explain, Madam Chair, at halimbawa, hindi nyo pinakinggan, the Vice President has the option to go to the COA proper for an appeal.
That is correct.
That is correct. And considering the appeal was dismissed, the Vice President can go to the Supreme Court. Is that correct?
That is correct.
So there is a whole gamut of process.
That is correct.
Will you confirm that?
That is correct po, Your Honor.
That is why